Figured I'd show off one of the projects I was doing for rental. Added all new windows. We're gonna be doing maple floors, painted, drywall, wood ceiling. Just wanted to do just a real quick video. Let me flip this around here. Added new double hung windows. Just got those in, caulked around them. There used to be a door here. I got rid of that and just put its siding in. I actually had these on clearance at Lowe's, and they're only like 60 something dollars a piece. I did a PVC vinyl trim around it as well. It's up the landscape a little bit. Has some rose bushes here from before. I was living here for a while and moving to a different house. Gonna landscape this in the front. New windows there, new entry door. Just kept the stock trim with it. Did a self-leveler here. The concrete was horrible. Just did that real quick. It only cost like 30 bucks. Here we have all concrete. I'm gonna be putting down DMX and then maple hardwood. It's engineered hardwood, I should say. Reframed all these windows. Insulated. Just have to put the trim around. Did all the drywall. Put the wood ceiling in already. So basically I'm gonna start painting. I'm gonna do a whitewash here, where there's actually brick. I think they added on to the side patio. So gonna do a whitewash. We're doing white walls. I don't want too much wood because it'd just be all the same. So I just do white around here. Trim. Should be done next couple days. I already sanded all my drywall. Have the outlets in here across the bottom. Be a thermostat on the right side there. And then electric baseboard heat over here. And I have these on a dimmable thermostat. That way if you're out here at night, you can put it down really low. So I just wanted to show a real quick project. This house is gonna be rented out in a month. And starting to look pretty good. I'll show you the rest of the house in another video, but just wanted to kind of show you what I've been up to. Just about ready to whitewash this now. All I'm doing is 1 part paint to 2 parts water. And then just put it on with got old t-shirts here. And just basically dab it on. And it's just a washed out look, but it gets rid of this red. It's too much of a big contrast. So it kind of blends in with everything else going on. All right, so that's a little project going on here right now. And didn't really take too long. Didn't really cost that much either. Couple thousand for everything till it was all said and done. And turned out pretty good. I'll show you the final product here. I just wanted to record a little bit so you can see what I got going on. I really like the wood ceiling, just kept it natural. I didn't even urethane it because I just liked how it looked. And I'll show you the final product at the end of this video here. I'll just keep doing little segments here so you can see kind of what's going on. Other videos I'm going to show you actually the work involved so you can see how to do things. I just wanted to get this done so they could get moved in, then on to the next house. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright, so this is another phase of the project. I whitewashed all the brick. Basically takes the color down. That way it's not so bold. I'll add a picture to the video. This whole process took maybe half hour. So simple, dirt cheap. All you're going to do is take equal parts. I just guessed. I took an old Cool Whip container. I know everybody's mom has one of those in the cupboard somewhere. I filled 2 of those with water and 1 of those with paint. Put in a big bucket and just mixed it thoroughly, and then just started wiping it off with a brush. You can dab it with a shirt, but I found a brush works really well. It soaks it in almost instantly. You do have a little bit of residue down at the bottom, but I mean, I'm gonna have a floor here, so it's gonna be covered. It doesn't really matter. So onto the floor and paint the walls. Okay, just a little play-by-play. I put 2 coats of paint on yesterday. really soaked it in, so I had to do 2. See the whitewash, like I said before, takes the dark color out of the brick. Just got to put the trim up now and then do the floor. I'm going to put a little bit of tile in the front door just so when people walk in, water doesn't get all over the hardwood. I'm using an engineered hardwood maple. Just trimming out these windows. So I'll show you that after everything's all done. Just want to do a quick update here, keep you in the loop.